Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming network and app readiness. Connect both your iPhone and the TV to the same Wi-Fi. This allows device discovery. Once done, open Netflix and sign in so your profile is active. Make sure playback permissions are enabled. If your TV uses a streaming stick or game console, switch the TV input now. This first step gets both ends visible to each other, which is essential because casting relies on local network control rather than Bluetooth or cellular. Next, you pick content and send it to the TV. Tap the episode or movie, then tap the AirPlay icon in the player's controls. On some apps, you may see a cast icon instead. Choose your TV or Apple TV from the list. This establishes a streaming session, so video plays on the TV while your iPhone becomes a remote. Make sure to test volume and pause on your phone. If it lags, switch to the TV's remote briefly to confirm the connection quality. To finish, use your iPhone to control play, pause, and seek. The lock screen keeps basic controls handy. If casting fails, make sure AirPlay or casting is enabled on the TV and that Netflix is allowed to use local network access. As a quick troubleshooting tip, restart your router, iPhone, and TV in that order. This clears IP conflicts and often restores discovery. If problems persist, update iOS, the Netflix app, and your TV firmware. Compatibility fixes commonly resolve recurring issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.